Hello everyone, Samit here from creativetrading.system.com, making this a small video about Bitcoin. So let's get started. Updating Bitcoin, it's been a while, right? So this is the chart. This is the weekly chart you can see I made on July the 12th. I mean June the 12th, right? And it is Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, and then I says, well, A, B, and C. We need to come down to 38% to finish up wave 4, right? C of F4. So what happened in the next chart is in July 5th, you can see it came down exactly to 38%, right? And after that, it started to go up and then came down again. What it did is did a double correction here in wave 4. Let me show it to you. But for after this chart, I made many charts, but I'm going to skip them. So the next chart I'm going to show you that it's a daily chart, and you can see it's a compact version. I squeeze the candles, right? So it's showing that, 1, 2, 3, and then A, B, and C. Actually, you can see that it was like small A, B, C, and then X, and then A, B, C, double correction here. So the next chart will show you that double correction. So you see the wave 4, I said here in August 7th, that it's finishing here, and then now we're going to be going up for wave 5 up here somewhere. Extension from 3 to 4 around maybe like 127, right? And that would be 85 to 90, somewhere in that area. So starting from here, we started go up slowly but surely, and this is how we end up right now. Actually, no, sorry. So what happened since let me go back again. So from here, we start to go up, right? The next chart expanded a little bit. That's the same chart, but I expanded. The candles are a little wider. So it start to go up nice and clean, right? Then it came down again, and then it went up, and then all of that. And as of today, I made the chart, and it is like this. See that I expanded the candles even more. So this was the thing that I made the chart that from here it's going to go up, right? So it went up, came down, then went up, came down, and now going to the upside and hitting this TL here right now. We are sitting exactly touching under that TL, touching it, right? And this number 66857, it's a weekly high here, right? And we are just sitting above that. So this is the current situation. This could be, see, wave 5, 3, 4, 5. Wave 5 should come in 5 waves, 5 subwaves, right? Out of that, I think wave 1 and 2 are here. Then wave 3 come, right? So wave 3 will also have 5 subwaves. Out of that, we have 1 and 2, followed by wave 3, 4, 5. That would end up wave 3, followed by a drop for wave 4, and then wave 5 to the upside, blah, 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 right? So this is how we are dealing with Bitcoin right now. So we are in a wave 3 of wave 3, nice and clean, going to the upside. Very, very good, powerful wave. Let's see if we can stay above 66,857 and continue to the upside. Now, currently, as I speak, what is happening is this here. Let me see. Yeah. So see, now the current candle is kind of like a bullish candle a little bit, right? So it's going to the upside. Again, trying to go to the upside here. So let's see what happens, right? So these are the target here, either 127, right? But this will not be for wave 3, maybe 127 or 161, and then it will drop and then go back up again, right? So, but it looks like wave 3 of wave 3 of wave 5, right? So this is it for now. And the next video I'm going to make about gold. Okay. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get my videos on time. Yes, for a couple of weeks, more than a couple of weeks, the hurricanes will keep coming one after the other, and pretty disturbing. So I was, my family were pretty disturbed out of that, and had to move out, move in, this and that. So, but now they are gone, right? So I'm back to normal now. All right. So I'm going to be making more and more videos now. So yeah, this is it for now, and talk to you guys later.